Okay, so we're looking at section 1. That's what we're looking at. Just so you know, this is how far I've gotten so far. Okay, so this is kind of cool. There you are. So each one of these in this giant bag has a letter on the plastic because they're all jumbled together in this bag. So that's kind of cool. At least I know I'm getting the right one in the right space. But this is going to take a minute, just so you know.
Grabbing the bar? Okay, I think that's the worst thing. So that's crazy. Oh yeah, that's just bringing the pound hanging off your hands. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It just helps people not. I can't. No, yeah, that's fine. It's the wrist thing. So it's yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Pick out. I don't know what the wrist is. I know you're videotaping. I told people I was videotaping, but I'm not confident. I feel like it's. I don't know. I'm not doing it. Oh God, you really can't. Oh God, you can see everything. Yeah, just do it showing the problems. How could this get going? I fell on the eye changes. I fell really hard. On the girls? No, I was against. What did they say about it? Are they doing it still? No. Oh, that's a liquid. That's not. Oh, that's right. I think that you're Robbins are nice. It's not nice. You're invited. It's free access. They're bad. Well, okay. Like me and Grace are like the best ones. I don't know how because they practice a lot. We practice a lot, but like I don't know. Oh, that's a lot. All right, I can't talk to this, but you want that going? Probably have to sign in. If you want to sign in online, you can.
The line. The baby line.
Oh, the new line.
I put that there.
What the F, yo? E, no, no. C. C? C. On the first.
That's tall. That's not right. What a fucking idiot.
What?
I put it in this way.
Oh.
Oh my
You
god.
said high peak, baby. And high peak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a wheelbarrow full of stuff in the barn if you want to do it.
Oh, there's mighty fast.
Okay, go.
Oh, do that. Throw them all down and sound like one.
J-H-J.
Mm-hmm. Exactly right.
J-H-J.
J.
H in the middle.
Ready? Go out, little ones.
Seriously.
There'll be a 4 and oh sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 40s. That'll be 1, 2, yeah, so 2 for each. Okay. A 4. 4.
On that, what did it say?
Yeah, you can do that.
What's it saying there? Where that one should be?
This one is supposed to be
An E?
unique. Yeah, this is-
Oh.
yeah. It's showing 3 E's on each side, so 6 of them.
So this is supposed to be below.
So,
Look at it.
what's going on for each also?
Go get it and take them on it. Get that cat. Huh? No, I gotta finish this. Natalie, you come out here and eat. No, get these right here. That's not how those are supposed to be.
Oh,
They're gonna be like that. No, those are E's. Or they're gonna be like this.
Yes.
They need to be flipped.
No, this one needs to be.
That needs to be flipped.
It's like, yeah.
What is that?
Looks like an E, but
I got it wrong. Right? I know, that's what I'm saying.
what is this?
E's.
These
No,
are E's?
no, that's a puzzle.
It's a B.
But that's the second level.
So, this bottom number 11 is the other side. So, plan 2.
This is the
See,
shelf.
the show both of these once you pick it up.
That doesn't look that.
Right.
Oh, maybe it goes like this though. That just doesn't have a race there or something.
Well, see that?
Yeah, no.
Oh, so the first one goes up there.
Yeah.
So these.
Uh-oh, we're gonna close up.
So now,
Go up, or no.
so now it'll be put it here. Or no, sorry.
I don't know, flip it one, because that race was jumped. No.
This is what it'll go on like that.
Come on.
I guess so then
23. Right? 23?
for each side.
23? Oh, remember. That one, that's another shot. Or is it this shot?
Oh, all right.
That goes there, right?
Oh, it's the little bitty guy. The little bitty.
So what was there?
Oh, look.
No, we don't have enough ones. Oh,
You
there's
don't
two
have
ones.
to
There's two ones. One.
Oh, cool. You got another shark. Makes sense. Oh, flip. Four.
Check it out.
Oh, no, yes.
Yeah. Okay, does it one go here? I think the one goes like that.
Found out where the zipper was.
It's over here.
Yep. Look, there it is. And we're good. I said if I could take you oars with me, and I could just work with you all day. It would be so much more big. You know what I mean? Uh-oh. You get those here. Oh, they get them. I think that's up there, babe. What's going on? Oh, twisted up, myself. I didn't do something. I'll pick your leg. You need the gravel. I'm going to put the gravel over the top. So that, if you're down now. Sand? Around the outside? Around the outside, right. Mine's hanging over there, get a little wet. So it holds place. Keep doing it.
So one last thing we need to do is stake this thing down. We have not done that yet, but we're going to semi-permanently for now around the edges. We're going to do something along the lines of a big weight, whether it's giant pieces of wood, some cinder blocks, and some rebar in the ground, something along those lines. We've had about 10 different ideas, so that's the only thing that's left to do, because we do not want to lose this thing in a windstorm. That would be a giant bummerski. So all right, kids, it is up and done and done and done, and I am able to stand straight up in this thing. Look at this. I got room to grow. So you saw the video, you saw some of the trials and tribulations with putting this thing up. Thank goodness Nick was here, because I was about to lose my brain. The only, like, for how cheap it is, this is great. But the only real complaint I've got at this point is all of these shelves are held on with these little clips right here, and they don't give you enough. They did not give us enough. So I'm gonna have to go get zip ties. I've got little bitty zip ties. I'll wrap those around. I think those will probably be sturdier anyway. But yeah, this is a nice little thing. Thank you to my Nick for purchasing this for me last spring, and we're finally putting it up. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for anybody. I think the biggest thing, other than not enough clips, was I did figure out that these right here, these brackets can actually be snapped on. I thought they had to be slid on, but they do snap if you have everything put together the way it's supposed to. So yeah, this is exciting. I'm gonna run the heater into here. We're gonna bring some stuff in. So like my GreenStalk is gonna be right in the middle of this thing, at least for now, because I don't want to lose any of that stuff. So yeah, okay, I'm going in to eat pizza and hang out with my kid and take a shower eventually and be done for the evening. So I hope everyone is having a great day, evening, whatever it is. Make it productive, do what you enjoy, and I will see you on the next one. All right, be safe, everybody. Thank you.